Hello lovely people, and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Mercy, and in today's tutorial I'll be teaching you people how to neatly finish the hem of your outfit without an interfacing. Now we want to make an outfit, your pants, trouser, your skirt, your dress, and you don't have an interfacing, and you want to make the hemline looking neatly finished. This tutorial is for you. Please stay tuned to the end of this tutorial. Now this is my pants. I've gone ahead to join the crotch line. I've gone ahead to insert my dart. I've also insert my pockets. As you can see, I've insert my pockets and also my zipper fly. Now if you don't know how to insert your zipper fly, you can drop a comment down below so that I can make a tutorial on that. All right, so let's get back to what brought us here. So the first thing you're going to do is to go ahead and steam iron your seams. Okay, iron your seams open. All right, this is what I have just done. Okay, now you also want to determine how many inches you allocated for your hemming allowance. Mine, I am using 1.5 inches for my hemming allowance. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is to hem in 1/2 inch. I am going to use my sewing machine to sew in 1/2 inch. All right, so I will do that and show you. So as you can see, I've gone ahead to sew 1/2 inch. All right, can you see? I've gone ahead to sew in 1/2 inch. Now the next thing we are going to do is to bring in our hemming gum. Our hemming gum is what is going to do the magic for us. Now this is my hemming gum. That is what we are going to use to neatly finish the hem of these pants. All right, so I've gone ahead to get my ironing table ready. Now the first thing I'm going to do is to fold in that particular remaining allowance. Okay, remember I said I'm using 1.5, and now I've folded in 1/2 inch allowance. So what is remaining for me here is 1 inch. Okay, what is remaining for me here is 1 inch. All right, so this is my 1 inch. I'll go ahead and steam iron it down. Right, so let's do that. Now if you don't have a steam iron, you can sprinkle water on your fabric so that it lay flat while you iron. All right, sprinkle a little water on your fabric so that it lay flat while you iron. All right, as you can see me do right now.